Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on telephone. A telephone is a device used to talk to people far away. It has a speaker to hear the voice and a microphone to speak. Telephones can be landlines or mobile phones. Mobile phones are portable, so we can carry them anywhere. We use phones to call our family, friends, and even emergency services. Telephones also let us send text messages and pictures. Some phones have games and apps to play with. Phones help us stay connected with others even if they are far away. Old telephones used to have a rotary dial while new ones have buttons. Telephones are important tools for communication in today's world. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.